How to make a Discord server public. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can make a Discord server public. So go ahead and open your Discord. When you open your Discord, navigate to the server section just showing below your screen. So when you click on that, click on your Discord server or Discord server you are an admin on. So click on that. When you click on your server or any Discord server you want to make it public, go ahead and click on the three lines showing above your screen. So when you click on that, click on settings. When you click on settings, so when you do that, go ahead and scroll a little bit and click on where it says enable community. So click on that. When you click on that, as you can see, guys, see it here. So click on enable community. When you do that, click on where it says get started. Go ahead and allow this. So as you can see, guys, you need to verify your email, and also Discord will have to scan through your server to see if there's any inappropriate thing. They will automatically delete it for you. So click on next if you agree to that. You can go ahead and set your rules or allow Discord to create one for you. Community update as well, you can allow Discord to do it for you, or you can create yours. Go ahead and click on next. Click on where it says finish. So as you can see, guys, when you click on where it says finish, go ahead and click on where it says save. As you can see, your group is now, or your Discord group is now public. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.